kini khatung khatini जोंथ' साइमानाव 3 বছর পর তিনি স্টেট কনফারেন্স संगो তিনি पार्टी Ipft नि তিনি पार्टी Ipft 2009 হইতে जों तारपय जों सामखाय दंगो তিনি একই কাইসনা রাখমो जों टिपालना चिपमा खायनाय स्टेट होर चिपमा खायनाय अबन जों एक नम्बर एजेंडा তিনি आबन मासाव তিনি जों आं दुटा हामबायमाराव তিনি सापर्टारावनो विभिन्न তিনি स्टेट डिविजन लेवल नि थायो जोंना बुथ रिगुइ एप्लाइ खालायखा তিনি पार्टी Ipft डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी जों सेलेक्शन या इलेक्शन थायो अब आगे बंखा थ्रू इलेक्शन जों एप्लाइ abang yang balik hambai marunai cini parti lo cini dol no, tapi bah hambai marunai ojarawo cini presiden ex presiden cini ansi deborna, bo boys jawang pano, boni bakha balai kerak, boni samong balai kaham, cuma balai hambai marawo, bo asal boys pano, cuma baik tunggu bo, boni koglam, boni wan samong balai kaham, abang cuma hambai marunai, tapi boni contribution no, cuma kogi meya, tapi cini cini balai kusingka, cini young and dynamic cini GS cuma ka. Ini dorong dari TRIPURA, bahwa educated raksa, tapi ini yang MLA, ini persen tu deborna, baru jointly GS nai, ek nama 2 number nai,ซึ่งbaru baik sih bersama tang nai, angka kau,ซึ่งbersang salo, ini sama balai kehamung nai, tapi jonagon bahai no, kalau ini public rock, especially indigenous people rock, ini accept bahai nai,ซึ่งini samung nolugui, ini contribution lugui, angka kau, ini party itu lagi bahai nai. जों साइमानो जत साइमानो अब कोनो फकय करे जों एडिसि इलेक्शन नि परेबो तिनि किसा प्रब्लेम मुखा तिनि किसा परिमेरक किसा माने उइक मुखा किन्तु आं खागाबो जों दा एप्रिल मास निसिन जों साउं सुरु खायरनाय तिनि पार्टिनिफ्राय जों रिसाबल खायमानि बागै रिफर्म खायनो दायो जों आगगनाय आं खागाबो अबयस्य तिनि पाब्लिक रक नाहरै दंगो साराति परम्परा नाहरै दंगो तिनि डिसिसन Cini state conference, tamu rezalong, tamu nunai, apa sih bernahat tanggo, within a week or 1 or 2 weeks, bisi macam cini isi jadi story kainai, cini plan program tentu di kainai, jadi sing balai kita short time ni bagai, sing kahki meeting lai malia, within very short period of time, within 1 or 2 weeks, ang jotona call kaya, cini GS na call kaya ragoi, ang kata cini plan program, action plan, sing apa story kainai, mana bagai cini.
First of all, I would like to thank all the press media, social media, and all the new elected CC member and new elected president of the TRIPURA party. So, I am so lucky, and in this young age, I have been elected as a general secretary of the TRIPURA party. So I believe it's a huge responsible for me. So I try my level best to restore our party, and I believe. So every party there is an up and down. So this time our party is not good position, but I believe as a general secretary of the party. So I have faith once again we can strengthen our party. So all the newly elected members, all they are very active in party. So they will try our best, and myself and president also will try our best to restore it. Coming into power, so as all you know, we are a part of the government. So we have lacking our party. So regarding this, now we are going to identify where we have lacking our party. So our new elected member, they will all observe where we have a lacking. According to that point, so we'll start our movement, we'll start our party, how to biggest challenge, we cannot say still. So everybody have their own political party, they have a power. So we can say our party also still we have a power. So just if we go to the field, so we can say that still, yes, Ipft party still we have a power. We can show after within a short time, we're going to show the other political party that Ipft still we have a strength.